All right, the Philadelphia Cheesesteak Tour. We're at Geno Steaks on 19 East Passyunk Avenue. I can move in. So I wanted to give a shout out. You can move in. So new camera guy. So I want to give a shout out to Geno Steaks for donating to the fundraiser component that we have for this event. So here we got slab. The cheese is mixed in there a little bit. The bread is fresh.
Good meat to cheese ratio. Looks like in the bread, like it's not too much meat to it for me. Definitely a fresh roll.
Taste the cheese and meat amongst the sandwich. The meat itself, though, I'm not really getting a flavor out of it. Bread's good.
Plenty of cheese.
Just trying to get a taste out of this, and
Yeah.
I'm getting
Flatline.
6.5.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
where I'm coming in. A 6.4 or 6.5 may slide on the third bite, but I was hoping it'd be better. It looked better.
All right, that's it. Thanks.
That's the tea.